Having extra vacuum bags and mop heads on hand prevents small supply shortages from stopping your cleaning crew mid-job. Keeping a buffer of vacuum bags and mop heads equal to at least 2 to 3 days of peak usage reduces emergency purchases and downtime. Track consumption by task type and location so you know which items wear fastest, then standardize brands and sizes to simplify inventory. Store spares in labeled, climate-stable containers near the equipment they serve so crews can grab replacements in seconds without walking to a central storeroom. Rotate stock by using older items first and inspecting mop heads for wear on a weekly checklist so nothing degrades unseen. Set automatic reorder reminders based on minimum on-hand levels and lead times from suppliers so you reorder before you hit critical low. Train all staff to report low supplies immediately and to follow a simple replacement procedure that keeps jobs on schedule and maintains cleaning quality. A common mistake is underestimating usage patterns and ordering too little, which causes last-minute rush orders that cost time and money, so monitor actual daily usage and set reorder points accordingly. Another issue is poor storage that allows dust, mildew, or pests to degrade supplies, so keep inventory in sealed containers at room temperature and rotate first in, first out. A third frequent problem is inconsistent replacement practices where crews reuse worn mop heads or use wrong vacuum bag sizes, so create a clear, short standard operating step list and verify compliance during spot checks. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners connect with local contractors and to help contractors find projects that fit their skills and availability. Our site includes a discussion community where members share practical tips on operations like inventory management and sourcing reliable supplies.